Everyone wants to shine, but few understand how long it takes to glow. This is the story of a man who made light for others, even when his own life was full of darkness. In a quiet village, there lived an old farmer named Eli who believed every seed had a purpose. Every day, he polished glass, shaped metal, and lit tiny flames inside them. But Eli's life wasn't easy. He had lost his family in a fire years ago. Since that day, he promised himself he'd bring light into other people's homes. People loved his lanterns, but no one really noticed the man behind them. Every night, he would look at the stars and whisper, "Maybe tomorrow someone will see my light." One winter, a big storm hit the village. Power went out everywhere. The villagers panicked, unable to see or move through the darkness. That's when small lights started appearing, Eli's lanterns, glowing in every home. From every street to every corner, his handmade lights kept people safe and warm. The next morning, when the storm ended, villagers gathered to thank him, but Eli's workshop was silent. Inside, they found Eli sitting peacefully near his last lantern, his eyes closed forever, smile on his face. The villagers lit all his lanterns and placed them across the hills that night. The entire valley glowed like the stars. Moral of story: sometimes, the brightest souls are those who choose to light others while burning quietly themselves. You may not always be seen, but your light, your kindness, will always be felt. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more inspiring stories.